I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a. I don't give a. I don't give a fuck. I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a line for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a nine for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I've been stuffed out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead, so ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. Ayy, 30 millions later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram, like me cautious. I be hanging out in towns, I be on Stockton. I don't do it for the gram, I do it for Compton. I'm willing to die for this shit, nigga. I take your fucking life for this shit, nigga. We ain't going back to broke, family selling dope. That's why you ninny ass rap niggas better know. If I gotta stop a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sexy. If I gotta go hard on the bitch, I'ma make it look sexy. I pull up, hop out, wear out, made it look sexy. They won't take me on my element, nah, take me on my element, bitch nigga.
Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito or a Gramble purse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it down and out. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, I believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or is it peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. But that gorgeous face, I don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm always mine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it down and out. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? 'Cause you don't know me.
last week and they already best friends, already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now, I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friends. Shit ain't been the same since they stepped in. 25 deep in the same section. I'm on fire, you off hand. Told me this ain't something that you do often. I can't say the same, so use caution. Just saying, came in with an F and 2 girls with him. Told me he ain't got a preference. I'm on down and I asked him questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
I'm feeling the blondes, okay? The blonde, the highlights. This is definitely making my skin pop. I feel sun-kissed, I feel golden. Living my life like I'm golden in this unit from Ashimary. Shout out to Ashimary here for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful wig, you guys. I absolutely love this one. So we have a more natural-esque type of unit today. I didn't do any baby hairs or anything like that today. I kept it very simple. And as you guys can see, this unit was very quick and easy to install. It's ready to wear right out of the box. All I had to do was apply the tape, adjust the unit in the back, and then that was pretty much it. I added a little extra something right here just to have that lift. I went ahead and used my Got To Be glue, the gel, and I blow dried this part up here just to give it that nice wave and also show off that beautifully plucked and laid hairline, okay? This lace is so bomb. As you guys saw, this unit did come with pre-cut lace. The knots are very tiny on this unit, so you don't see them at all. A lighter concealer here in the part just to help it show a little bit more. And speaking of the part, I really love the fact that this has a nice honey blonde root and then it goes into the blonde instead of it just being like straight blonde from the root, because I feel like that's what helps this unit like look even better on my complexion and darker complexions, period. Obviously anyone can wear this unit, whether you are lighter, medium, or darker. This is one of those units that works for everybody, so that's another thing that I really like about it. And it's a great way to have like a little pop of color, especially if you work in a place that doesn't allow you to wear like really crazy colors. When it comes to your hair, they want you to be very neutral, very professional. This can still get very professional without doing too much. When people see you in this hair, they're going to like take a double take. It's one of those types of units. But back to the lace. Let's look at how amazing this lace looks. Hello, with no baby hair, no nothing. This unit is taped down, you guys. It's taped down here on the side, and they do give you extra tape just in case if you're like pulling it and it accidentally comes off. They give you extra tape so you can apply your unit with the extra tape that they give you. I love the curls on this hair. As you guys saw, I didn't even wet this hair. I didn't add any products to this hair. I don't have a bunch of curl products and creams. I didn't sit here and brush all the curls out, add product to it, wet it up, try to finger coil it to come back. I don't ever understand why people do that in the first place, but to each his own. This unit is literally ready to wear right out of the box, so I love that. Now let's talk about the parting space on this unit, because as you guys can see, this unit has a very deep parting space. And look, once again, look how natural that looks. So let's go on the side here and show you guys the parting space. Now, because it is darker, you guys can tell, but you guys probably can't tell, the tracks start back here. So you get the entire full lace front. It's not like one of those units that skimps you on the side and then you can't even do a side part on it because the lace is like this big. So this part actually goes all the way back to here. So from up here all the way back to here, you get all of this parting space, which allows you to do more styling in case you want to switch up the part later and maybe do a side part, or if you want to do like 2 ponytails, like a ponytail here, a ponytail there, you can have everything up and out of the way. It's also a lot fuller in the back because of that, and I love how full this is. You know what this also reminds me of? Beyonce used to wear her hair like this a lot back in the day, and this definitely gives like that Beyonce-esque type of look. But I feel like with this hair right now, I feel like I'm in like a Herbal Essence commercial or like a Tresemme commercial or something. Like, it just gives that kind of vibe. I love the fluffiness of this, and I didn't want to like change anything about it. I like how it already looks out of the box. I didn't want to like wet it and then switch up how it looks. I just really like how it looks, especially here in the front, like how defined all the curls are, how pretty that like pop of blonde is right there, and then it's just like subtle throughout the rest of the hair. It's not too much, and I just love it. So this unit, as far as the inches, I believe that this is a 26-inch unit, so I will show you guys where it hits on me. I'm just gonna stand up real quick. So it does go a little bit further actually down here. My belly button's here, so I would say it reaches back to my belly button, and in the back, this is where it reaches me in the back. Turning around, what it looks like, and then let's go back here. Okay, she's full. I love how full this unit is. Like I said, a very full, beautiful, curly, defined unit. Love it. And as far as the density for this one, I would say this is possibly around 200% density or 180% density. It is very full, and it can actually get a lot bigger, especially if you start like finger combing the curls out. So if you want an even fuller look, that's definitely achievable with a unit like this. So yes, you can do a completely glueless install. However, because I did add the gel right here, I can't lift my unit up, but look how like snug this unit is though. Like this unit is not going nowhere at all. So love that about it. And this unit does have a pull strap in the very back. I did show you guys how to adjust that. You literally just pull it, and then you pull the little circle part, you tighten it up, and then you tuck that right on in there. This unit also comes with combs, but the combs are removable. You don't have to cut them out, which I like. You can literally just slide them out and slide them back in whenever you need to use them, because when you cut the combs out, sometimes you can cut a hole in your lace, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to damage your wig. So I like the fact that it does have that feature. And then this unit also has the adjustable elastic band, so you can adjust it to your perfect head size, whether you have a smaller head or a larger head, or you just have like a lot of hair underneath when you do your installs. This is going to be the perfect unit because it fits literally everyone, and you can adjust it to fit you perfectly. But yeah, this is some really good quality curly hair. I love this curl pattern. I don't know the exact curl type. I would say this is like between a jerry curly or like a deep wave type of vibe, and it's not like too curly, because sometimes when the unit is too curly, especially with something like this, it ends up not being like, it ends up becoming overwhelming, and it's a lot. But this is one of those units that you can wear around this time in the colder months, and you can also transition to wearing this in the spring and summertime. So this is the perfect look for all year round, and if you take good care of it, you can definitely have a lot of different uses out of this one unit. And it's all about having a unit that is sustainable, something that lasts and is cost effective. Not everybody wants to just be spending a bunch of money on hair all the time, so something like this is perfect if you are on a budget and you're looking for something that you can get multiple uses out of. So all in all, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.